What's up guys, David here. Today I'm going to be showing you the best lake maps app available for iPhone and Android. I'm going to go ahead and open up this app. This app is called Navionics. It's always going to give you this warning thing whenever you open it. Just always agree. And then it will leave you at the last lake map you're looking at. So, as you can see, here's the whole state of Minnesota. And you can download maps from any part of the United States that you would like. I just downloaded the maps right around me. It's very easy to download a map. All you do is click menu, click download map, and then it will give you this box and you can just draw whatever you want to download, but I'm not going to do that right now. Downloading is actually very quick for this app. I'm just going to show you how it works. Let's just look at an example lake here. I have this lake up and I will zoom in and you can see all the different depth lines. And let's say you couldn't quite tell what the depth was right there. All you'd have to do is click this question mark, click depth, and it'll give you the approximate depth. That is very handy for looking for specific spots in lakes if you know what kind of depth you're looking for that you want to fish on. Another handy thing is anyone can post these markers where they have found fish or hazards in the lake. So let's see what this one says. This is made by Unknown. It just says fishing or diving hotspot. Let's try this one. You just move your crosshairs right on the little icon. This one says bass. So someone put this here. It tells you the date and time and who posted it and what it says. They said there's largemouth bass there. You can also add your own personal markers here. I added this one right here where I had my fish house this last winter, and you can keep that private so no one else can see it. There's also a syncing option, which will store your markers in the cloud so you won't ever lose them and can have access to them on any of your devices. If I wanted to add a marker to one of these spots, I would just click this question mark, and then you click marker, and then you can add your new marker, whatever you wanted to type. Test marker. Done. Add. And then you can also change this. So if there's fish there, you could put a little fish logo, or house, you could put a house logo where you anchored. But let's say I wanted to find another spot where I had my fish house. You just click menu, archive, and then it will save all your markers that you've put everywhere. So I know that this is on a different lake. I'll click here. This app also has navigation to bring you back to the exact spot that you have marked. It'll give you buoy information right here, isolated danger buoy, lake accesses, sportsman access. Right here, this is little X, sounding. As you can see, it gives you very great detail. It even shows all these docks that are all the way along here. This is by far the best lakes map for the money. Another feature that I can't really show you right now is this tracking feature. And what it will do is will draw a path basically wherever you go around the lake. So let's say you're trolling around and you wanted to see if you covered an exact spot. It will draw a line directly through where you just drove with your boat, and then you can also save those. There's also many map options. You can change it so the background will be the maps, like satellite images from maps. You can have Bing satellite, or you can just have the terrain. I like just no overlays because it loads a lot quicker. And then you can get a preview. You can also search for lakes right here. So let's say I'll just look for a lake fairly close to me right here, Orchard Lake, Dakota County. It will give you the distance to points, so let me go back into one of my markers here. Let's say I want to know the distance to that from where I am right now, or wherever you place this pin. So let's say I was over here, wanted to know how far that would be. This works well for larger lakes, not so much for smaller lakes, but that'd be 0.2 miles, as you can see. Get closer, tell you the degree you're supposed to be going. This app works great for many different types of lakes, from smaller lakes to bigger lakes, such as Minnetonka. I'll show you that. That's a very popular lake here in Minnesota. You can see just the extreme detail. All for $9.99 if you're in the US, and then it's $14.99 for US and Canada for the iPhone and Android phones. The iPad, it costs a lot more, but you're also going to be getting a lot more details, and you can see all the different lines, all the different little markers. Slow, no wake, lateral buoy, same thing. You can see it can really help you out on bigger lakes like this. Like, look at right here, it's very shallow compared to here, so that you might spend forever looking for that just by yourself, but if you have this $10 Lake Maps app, you can find it right away. So this has been a demo of Navionics for iPhone. If this video helped you out, please like it, please subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Peace.